The guy you punched last week is still pretty pissed.
How'd he ever become a stuntman if he's such a crybaby?
Dick, he's not a stuntman any more than I am the Tooth Fairy.
God, you're confusing. What the hell are you even talking about?
He wasn't even in the commercial. Punching wasn't supposed to be in the commercial neither.
You sure he's not an actor or something? He did a hell of a job acting like he got punched.
Dick, he did get punched. You punched him. You know what? Never mind. Anywho, the other reason I wanted you to stop by is because SpaceCon wants to put you in a booth to sign autographs and take pictures as Space Captain.
I can't stand the space weirdos. I spend a lot of money to keep them away from me, and I'd pay even more for any electrified perimeter.
SpaceCon promised to give you a Lifetime Achievement Award if you stick around all day. Plus, it'll do wonders for your public image.
I don't gotta pay for alcohol, do I? 'Cause I wanna need a lot.
Nope. Open bar, Dick.
But I am not wearing a space costume.
Get with the program, Dick. The people want to meet Space Captain, okay? Not some old burnt-out empty bottle alcoholic with his cat.
God damn it.
Yeah.
I don't know, Dr. Potato. The last time you drank liquid cheese, you almost exploded.
Yeah.
God damn it. Remember, Dr. Potato, try not to make eye contact with any space weirdos.
Yeah.
If you lock eyes with them and they start talking, it's already too late.
Hey, that's Green Legend Dick West from Space Captain.
Son of a bitch.
Good morning, Legend. It's a fantastic Saturday.
God damn it.
Are you fired up for SpaceCon?
Dr. Potato, is this guy real? Or did I already drink too much?
Yeah.
Are you sure? He's just like the guy from the nightmare.
Oh, this is weird.
Yeah.
No, not that one. I mean the one where we go to hell. And there's a guy with a clipboard just standing around.
Yeah.
Okay, then. So you're going to be right over there at the table for the meet and greet,
Uh-huh.
and the fans are going to line up right here and take turns coming over and talking to you.
Really? Is that how it works? Let me guess. The chair is where I sit,
Yep.
and you're just gonna be standing right here holding a clipboard.
Yes, sir.
In a million years, I would have never figured that out. I'm so glad you're here. Hey, if I need to take a crap later, you think you could help me figure that out too?
Yeah.
Holy shit in my smoothie. I think that guy over there is a real space alien.
What?
Hey, clipboard guy, you should go check the parking lot. See if there are any flying saucers parked out there.
Huh.
Hey, you're not dressed up as Space Captain.
Nope.
Why not?
It'll cost him more than a day of free liquor to get me to dress up like a space weirdo. How old are you anyway?
I'm 9.
When I was 9, I was working in a sweatshop, making hand grenades for the war effort. Or maybe I was working for a terrorist. I don't remember. What do you do for a living?
I don't have a job.
Holy shit, how old are you anyway?
Don't remember. Back in my time, we didn't keep track of birthdays and kid stuff. We were called short adults. Got paid in cigarettes.
I'm gonna be an astronaut when I grow up. Just like Space Captain.
You know, space isn't real, right? It was made up by crazy old drunks, like the Tooth Fairy and the Easter Bunny. Except the space people are less inclined to put on a costume and break into your house.
Hey Dad, the Space Captain guy says space isn't real. So now I want to grow up and be an old drunk guy instead of an astronaut.
Perfect.
Well, that's just great. Now I have to spend the next 6 months trying to convince my kid not to want to grow up and become an alcoholic.
Get a job. Screen Legend Dick West.
Your turn, space guy.
God damn it. Maybe we'll get lucky and die before this guy finally makes it across the room.
Yeah.
Crap. We're still alive. He's still here.
Space Captain was like one of the top 50 shows about space ever made. But you're not dressed up as Space Captain.
No shit. Really?
Nope.
I had no idea. Hey, let me tell you a hilarious story about working on the set of Space Captain.
Okay.
One time, we ran over a guy with a spaceship and didn't stop.
What?
Didn't even slow down. True story.
That's terrible.
Here's another funny one. Back in the 1970s, an astronaut told me they ditched a guy on the moon, and we can laugh about it now. Because he's dead.
You're a terrible person.
Uh-huh. And you can't tell anybody, because nobody will believe you. Because you're an adult, wearing a space costume.
Everything you just said is awful.
Did you know that you can't fart in a spaceship, or the whole thing will explode?
That can't be right.
All right, clown, you're up.
God damn it. I'm not talking to a goddamn bicycle clown.
Hey, Legend. Award ceremony starts in 15.
I forgot you exist.
Are you drunk?
Do you want me to say no?
Yeah, that'd be fantastic.
Then why didn't you just ask me if I'm sober?
Oh boy.
Tonight, we're honoring screen legend Dick West, a man who needs no introduction. With a career spanning 50 spectacular years, his acting has changed the world more times than history could ever properly acknowledge. He gave vigilante judges a hero, and gave lunar astronauts a role model they could finally look up to. and his portrayal of Jesus made us question everything. Let's take a look at some of his amazing work, shall we?
We find the defendant not guilty.
I'll be the judge of that, you goddamn juror.
Shit.
Guilty. Give him the chair. God damn it. Who keeps ordering more bread? This food is terrible. I'm not leaving a tip. Jesus.
Well, I don't know, Jesus. I kind of like the bread.
God damn it. Of course you do. 'Cause you're an asshole. Where the hell did all the other goons go? I'm not picking up their checks. I didn't order any of this shit.
Oh, come on, Jesus. This is the Last Supper. I didn't even bring my wallet.
And I am so glad. This is the last time I have to go to a restaurant with any of you dipshits. Who the hell is that? Does he work here or something?
No, Space Captain. Someone let him in to use the bathroom a couple of weeks ago, and he never left. He also hasn't been paying for coffee or donuts.
God damn it. Hey, space alien. What the hell are you still doing here?
Well, after I used the bathroom, somebody told me I was allowed to have coffee.
That was 2 weeks ago.
I just started this cup, so I'm not going anywhere.
God damn it. Hey, those donuts aren't free. Get off my goddamn spaceship. You goddamn space alien.
And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, for this year's SpaceCon Lifetime Achievement Award, we are honored to invite to the stage, undeniably, the greatest actor who has ever lived, or died, or both, the one and only screen legend, Dick West.
I love you and Space Captain.
God damn it. What the hell am I doing here with all these space weirdos? Hey, I got one for you. What's a priest's favorite cheese?
I don't know.
Swiss, because it's holy. Get it?
I get it.
Swiss cheese has holes.
That's a good one. And I do like Swiss cheese.
Alright, now that you're all warmed up, here's another one for you. Why do nuns close their eyes when they're praying on their knees?
I don't know. Why do they do that?
'Cause they think the second coming is getting close.
What the fuck? That's disgusting.
This is awful.
How many nuts does it take to screw a robot together?
I don't want to know.
It takes at least 2 psychos to tag team a robot. 3 if you count the guy filming it. Or 4 if you include the guy creeping in the bushes, watching it all go down.
You're an awful human being, and I hope you die.
Me too.
Where's that asshole with my award?
This guy gonna stop.
Hey, clipboard guy,
Piece of shit.
make yourself less useless and go fetch me a refill.
Asshole.
4 parts whiskey. 1 part, why the hell are you still standing there?
We're gonna cancel you. Turn him on.
Where was I? Oh, right. I remember. What do you call the toothless meth head at the bus stop?
I'm offended. Me too.
I don't know about before I started telling this joke, but by now you can probably just call him dead.
Meth heads are people too.
Just kidding. He's not dead yet. I saw him in the parking lot, breaking into one of your cars.
Can't prove it.
But I'm not gonna tell you which one.
I'm offended on behalf of everyone you just offended. Turn off his microphone.
A bicycle clown and his girlfriend go to the abortion clinic. Doctor takes one look at the clown and says to his girlfriend, "I'll terminate this mistake for free before it ruins your life. But the abortion will cost you $200. But seriously, I hate goddamn bicycle clowns.
Yeah, I hate bicycle clowns too. Why is his microphone still on?
God damn it. Son of a bitch.
How'd it go, Dick?
I might have got canceled by the space weirdos.
What?
Yep. I'm pretty sure the joke about the toothless meth head is what finally turned him against me.
Dick, why would you say something like that? You're supposed to just say thank you and get your award.
It wasn't as bad as the one about bicycle clowns and abortions.
What?
The joke about the toothless meth head wasn't as bad as the one about bicycle clowns and abortions.
No!
Or the joke about psychos gangbanging robots. Or the one about nuns blowing.
Jesus!
Oh, you heard that one before.
What? No! Please don't tell me more! You're gonna give me a heart attack!
I knew it. See, Dr. Potato, I was right. That guy was a real space alien.
Dick, space aliens aren't real. They're made up, just like leprechauns, goblins, and Santa Claus, okay?
Santa Claus is actually...
Please not now, Dick.
And goblins try to force people to buy cookies.
Dick, as your lawyer, I'm gonna strongly advise you to try really hard to just get in your car and drive back home without creating any more problems. If you could just get home without causing another incident, I'd consider that a major legal victory.
Hey, lawyer guy, what if I...
No, Dick, whatever you're about to say, I'm pretty sure the answer is no.
We got one. This means good luck for 7 years. Clowns can't do that, can they?
As your lawyer, I specifically asked you not to cause any more problems.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Dick, we're getting sued by a clown.
Clowns can't really do that, can they?
Yes, Dick, of course they can.
Really?
Yes! And you got a letter from a clown named Klaus Clownington from Clowntown. Dear Screen Legend Dick West, ha ha ha, ha ha ha, ha 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 ha, honk honk, I'm suing you. Ha ha, honk honk, see you in court. Funnily enough, Klaus Clownington, clown, from Clowntown.
Goddamn bicycle clown.
Yeah.